Ever dreamt of owning a $1 million home? It might seem out of reach, but let's break down the numbers to see if it's possible for you. We'll use a simple formula to determine the income needed. To buy a $1 million home, you'll need a 20% down payment, which is $200,000. This leaves you with a loan amount of $800,000. Let's see what that means for your monthly payments. With a 6.5% interest rate, your monthly principal and interest payment is approximately $5,056. This is just the beginning of your total monthly housing costs. Add $800 for property taxes and $300 for homeowners insurance. Your total monthly housing cost is around $6,156. But how do banks determine if you can afford this? Banks use a 45% debt-to-income ratio to assess affordability. This means your monthly housing cost should not exceed 45% of your gross monthly income. To find the required gross monthly income, divide your monthly payment of $6,156 by 0.45. You'll need to earn approximately $13,680 per month or $164,160 per year. Remember, this is a ballpark figure that can vary based on your financial profile. But it's a reliable starting point for your million-dollar dream. Ready to take the next step? Call or text us at 408-888-3855 for personalized guidance. Follow California Khare Real Estate Group for more tips. Your dream home might be closer than you think.